Do you know many people are having trouble with constant ringing on their APC Back-UPS S550? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check LEDs. Start by turning on your Back-UPS 550 and checking the LED indicators for error signals. Step 2. Identify issues. Identify if their place battery LED flashes with the ringing tone, indicating a potential battery issue. Step 3. Secure connections. Open the battery compartment and confirm that the battery cables are securely connected to the terminals. Step 4. Charge battery. If the battery is connected correctly, let it charge for around 8 hours to see if the issue resolves. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the tone continues past charging, consider the possibility of needing a new battery. Follow these steps to stop the constant ringing and ensure your UPS functions correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other APC users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.